Hey, this is Carmen, one of the analysts here at Main Street ROI, and our mission is to help small businesses with their digital marketing. Today's Main Street marketing tip has to do with SEO for beginners. If you're running into a problem with getting traffic and sales online, then I'm going to show you how to unlock higher search engine rankings while boosting your visibility online. Here are some great SEO tips for beginners so that you can boost your website rankings with a few easy steps. Here are some important elements of good website design. Visual appeal. Use appropriate color schemes, high-quality images, and consistent branding throughout your site. Clear and intuitive navigation. Users should be able to navigate through the site easily and find information without confusion. Think clear and well-organized menus, a logical page hierarchy, and prominent calls to action. These elements all add up to effective navigation. A website should be mobile-friendly and responsive, as most users are on mobile devices. Text on a website should be easy to read for everyone. Consistent branding is another important element, so look at your logo, color scheme, and typography. Make sure it's all consistent. It's important to convey trust, improve user recognition, and reinforce your brand identity. Fast loading speeds. Users expect websites to load quickly, and a slow-loading website can lead to frustration and higher bounce rates. So if you have forms on your website, make sure they're working and they're all clearly labeled. Always consider accessibility to ensure people with disabilities can navigate and fully use your website. Use alternative text for images, proper heading structure, and keyword navigation. You have their attention. Be sure to give them what they want. Take an honest assessment of your site to be sure it's well written and engaging. Finally, use SEO to fully optimize your website structure and content to get that valuable traffic rolling in. This includes the use of relevant keywords, meta tags, and descriptive URLs. These elements all work together seamlessly to create a website that is visually appealing, easy to use, and provides a great user experience. Next up is keyword research. This process is about finding the words and phrases people use to search for things online. If you want to uncover which keywords your potential customers are searching for, try a free tool like Google Keyword Planner, Answer the Public, or Google Trends. If you need more comprehensive data with a subscription, there's Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Ubersuggest. You can also use Google to find keyword suggestions by searching for a general keyword that describes your product or service and scrolling to the bottom to find long-tail keyword suggestions. The essential part of keyword research is to describe your product or service well so that your audience can find you. Once you have your keywords, start creating that excellent content. A good tip to remember is that engaging and informative content gets more views and links. You can write longer content, but make it comprehensive and write anywhere between 850 to 1,500 words or so. The best thing you can do as an SEO beginner is to create a great user experience, because that's how your website will rank in search. It's also a good way to attract natural backlinks and other related sources. Add descriptive text to your videos and podcasts, update old content, and add a creative hook to your content like an infographic, a useful tool, a unique strategy, or a case study. By giving people what they're looking for, you're building a real foundation for your business online. When your articles are written and ready for review, take some time to go over it with on-page SEO. Add your keyword to the title somewhere within the first 100 words on the page. Add it to your image under alt text, an H1 header, one additional header, and the last 100 words on your page. The last step to take after you've published your article is link building. Backlinks are essentially a link that you get from another website. When you publish your article and someone reads it, they may choose to link back to your article from their website. Another great way to build links is to link to other articles on your site or syndicate your content, or actually both is probably best. You can also summarize your article and link to a page or post on social media or an article directory like Medium. The reason you want to create backlinks to your content is to increase the website's authority, mainly domain and page authority. The more backlinks you acquire, the stronger your website becomes, and the easier it is to rank. This means more traffic, leads, and sales. So those are our essential SEO strategies for beginners. I hope you found this video helpful. We specialize in helping small businesses with their SEO, and we partner with agencies to serve their small business clients. If you'd like more helpful tips on how to improve your SEO, then grab a copy of our free SEO checklist at the end of this video.